Okay, yes, today is 18th of December 2024, being Wednesday. So I want to drop my prediction and analysis, but this type of prediction analysis will be quite different from the one I've been doing before. Before now, I normally just do analysis and select games and drop betting code for you. But today, I want to use a different pattern, hoping that this one will favor us more. Recently, people betting have not been favoring punters. If you check, imagine Barcelona losing to Las Palmas, Benfica playing 1-1, and other teams, even Arsenal, drawing at home. So many things happen, and many people lost their money for the past week. So this betting prediction analysis that I want to drop for Wednesday is totally going to be different. So let's just watch and see how I'm going to analyze these games. So I'm going to employ this pattern using two different apps in selecting this betting prediction. Those apps I've already done video on them using the pattern for those expert prediction and analysis they employ in that particular apps or website. So what I'm going to do is that I will check how they analyze their own, how they predicted their own, then we edit it and also employ our own pattern or our own strategy. So let's just watch this video. I'm going to drop, it's just 10 matches. Those 10 matches does not mean that we are going to play the 10 matches. Rather, we'll do the analysis and prediction from the 10 matches. If you like, you can select 4, 5, or 3 from those 10 matches. If you like, you play all of them depending on the amount you wish to play. But remember to bet responsibly. So those apps I'm going to use, I've already done a video on that, but I'll still drop the link to that to those videos on my description box. So if you have not watched those videos, you go there and watch it. I will do our analysis. We do our analysis and a prediction on a match between Villarreal and Rayo Vallecano, which they will play today, being Wednesday. I will also do analysis on Monaco versus PSG. This time around, I will be considering even the big odd because not only predicting small odd. Sometimes if you predict small odd, it will cut, but the bigger odd will enter. So betting is not sometimes what you think that will happen in the particular match. You just have to apply some senses like based on the stats, head to head, then other expert prediction, then put your own knowledge and you pray that everything will work for you. So the next one I'm going to analyze is Barcelona women versus Manchester City women is UEFA Champions League women. So we analyze those one. Real Madrid versus Pachuca, Arsenal versus Crystal Palace. We also play in English Football League Cup, which is Carabao Cup. We're also going to predict Newcastle versus Brentford, Southampton versus Liverpool, Atalanta versus Cesena in their Italia Coppa Italia. Then the last one will be Roma versus Sampdoria. Those are the matches I want us to concentrate on. The way I'm going to do this analysis, I believe that it will favor us. So just watch this video to end so that you see how I do it. Then you do it in your own betting app. And I believe that it is going to work. Let's just start. Okay, so the two betting app we are going to use in these predictions are Sofascore and Forebet. This is my Sofascore, and I have already done a video on how to use Forebet in your football betting prediction. So first of all, see how you are going to do it. Go to your Chrome, as you can see from my screen, then type Forebet. Can you see like this now? Type Forebet, then search for this. Once it's open, look at their logo here, then open it. Once you open it like this, see what is going to happen now. So once you open it like this, then you come to this place. Can you see this is today, yesterday, tomorrow? You come to this place, then click this place, click it like this, then come over to 18 because I'm making prediction on Wednesday, because I'm making prediction against Wednesday's matches, which is December 18, 2024. Then you click it. Once you click it like this, let me just show you now. If you click it, it has already changed to Wednesday. You can see these matches are already arranged based on their time. So you have to click here so that it will arrange based on the most popular leagues down. If you click it like this, it will now change. Can you see now? So the first match that I'm going to use this Forebet then and Sofascore to predict for you is Villarreal versus Rayo Vallecano. This is Spanish La Liga. So can you see Villarreal? This match between Villarreal and Rayo Vallecano, they predicted Villarreal to win 2-1. Their correct score. They predicted Villarreal to win, but I don't like correct score. So, but before we go over to Sofascore to see what they actually predicted, you can decide to open this match. Like that is, for example, now you open this match here. So these are the detailed statistics. So if you want to check maybe players that are fit to play this match. You can see Villarreal. Look at their players that are injured or suspended. So these are the players. If you want to check for Rayo Vallecano, you click here. Then you check Rayo Vallecano has only two players suspended. You can check for the details. So in my next prediction, I may not be coming in details here to show you so that the video will not be long too much. So these people actually predicted Villarreal to win 2-1. So let's check our sofa score and know what they predicted for this match. So this is my sofa score here. Then I'll open it. Then wait for it to open. So once it's open like this, you come to this place, they wrote 17 because I'm doing this video on 17. You click it and change it to 18 because it's I guess Wednesday 18th of December 2024. Then you check the same match, Villarreal versus Rayo Vallecano. Open it, then you come to match. I have done video on how to use Sofascore to predict your match. You can go and watch that video. I'll put it in my description box. So click these matches. If you click matches, you come down. Just come down. Can you see that for this place now? Villarreal is shining yellow, meaning they predicted Villarreal to win this match. Rayo Vallecano is shining black, meaning they predicted them to lose. So what we are going to do is that Sofascore predicted Villarreal straight win, and Forebet predicted Villarreal straight win. I advise you to play this match for you to be on a safer side. Don't play straight win, just predict win or draw. It's Villarreal to win or draw. So the next one I'm going to predict using this 4bet is Monaco versus PSG. Can you see they predicted Monaco versus PSG 1-1? Can you see it? That is the reason why they marked it at X 1-1. Then let's go over to SofaScore and see what they predicted. Monaco versus PSG. This is Monaco versus PSG for French League One. Then open it, go to matches, open matches, then check what they predicted here. These people predicted PSG to win, straight win, and 4bet predicted PSG versus Monaco to play draw. So for that, I'm going to predict this match handicap 3 in favor of Monaco. That is handicap Monaco 3 goals and play it like that. It may likely enter. So the next one I want to select after Monaco is Barcelona women versus Manchester City women. That is Champions League women. So these people predicted Man City to win 3-1. Imagine they predicted Manchester City to win almighty Barcelona 3-1, which I see this thing as something that is not possible. But let me check SofaScore. I know what SofaScore predicted in this particular match. So what I'm going to do is that let me go over. Let me go back to UEFA Champions League. So go to Europe. This is Europe. Click Europe like this. Then look for Barcelona versus Man City. This is Barcelona versus Manchester City. Open it. Go to match. Select match. Then you go down again. Can you see this will predicted Barcelona to win? See the percentage win and it's shining yellow. This is percentage winning, meaning they can win at 89%. So if you watch, SofaScore predicted Barcelona straight win and 4bet predicted Manchester City to win 3-1. So because of this, see the prediction. If I want to predict this particular match, I'm going to select Man City versus Barcelona to win, to play over 1.5 goals, and also you can select 12. That is any of them can win, or you can also select Barcelona to win. Then the next one I want to predict in this particular match is, let me show you now, is Juventus versus Valerenga. Can you see Juventus versus Valerenga here? So you open it like this. Then let's check what SofaScore predicted here. SofaScore predicted that Juventus will win straight win. Can you see they are the one shining yellow, shining yellow? Then let's check for 4bet. So 4bet predicted Juventus versus Valerenga to win 2-0. That Juventus will beat them with correct score. Don't play this correct score. Just play what I'm telling you now. Juventus to win Valerenga 2-0. So because of this, I prefer playing Juventus home or draw. So far, they predicted them to win. So it's either you play them home or draw. So apart from that, the next one now is Real Madrid versus Pachuca. This is FIFA Intercontinental Cup. So this is Real Madrid versus Pachuca. So if you watch, they predicted Real Madrid to win straight win here. Let's check so far score. I'm trying to compare these two betting prediction. So go to World because this is FIFA. Let me go to World now. Let me just show you. So you just go up. This is World. Click World. Then look, can you see it here? This is Real Madrid versus Pachuca. Then click it. Go to matches. Can you see that they predicted Real Madrid to win straight win? Can you see it here? So they are it's shining yellow. So what it simply means is that this match Real Madrid can win it. This will also predict them straight win. So to be on the safer side, you can select. Let me show you. You can select Real Madrid to win uh, at final. That is to qualify to the next stage. Even though this is final match, but let me just show you what I mean. So let me just show you what I mean by what we are going to play this thing. This is Real Madrid versus Pachuca. When you open it like this, you can select team to win the final. That is 1.10 instead of selecting 1-2-2. So that if this thing enter extra time, maybe Real Madrid will now win the match. If you don't want to select this one, you can also select over 1.5 goals. Can you see it here? So apart from that, now the next one we want to predict is check Arsenal versus Crystal Palace in English Football League Trophy. That is a Carabao Cup. Arsenal versus Crystal Palace. They predicted Arsenal to win straight win, and they predicted 3-1 here. So let me check Sofascore. If you check Sofascore like this, go to English Football League Trophy, then you will see what I'm telling you. This is go to England, click England like this. This is England. This is Arsenal versus Crystal Palace. Let's check what they predicted here. You now go to matches, check it. Can you see that they predicted Arsenal to win because it's shining yellow? So because of this, you can predict Arsenal to win what to home or draw. Do you understand? You can select Arsenal home or draw, or you play over 1.5 goals in this particular match. This is over 1.5 at 1.25 odd. This is Arsenal win or draw. Do you understand? So the next one I'm going to predict here is Newcastle versus Brentford. Newcastle versus Brentford. Let me check what Sofascore rated there. Newcastle versus Brentford. So all of us knows that Brentford is a defending team, and the Newcastle also picked form during the weekend. So they predicted. Can you see all of them are shining black? So they did not predict any of them to win, meaning any of them can win, and they can also play draw. Do you understand? So let me check Forebet. I know what Forebet predicted for Newcastle versus Brentford. This is it. So they predicted draw. I've already seen it. So they predicted, can you see Newcastle versus Brentford? They predicted draw here 1-1, that they are going to play 1-1. And also Sofascore also predicted that they are going to play draw. Do you understand? So I advise you to consider handicap in favor of Brentford. Just give Brentford handicap 3. Let me show you the thing now in case you don't know what to select. So this is it, handicap 3. The odd is 1.20 odd. So I think it is better like that. Then for Southampton versus Liverpool, can you see it's just 10 matches that I want to show you here. Southampton versus Liverpool. Click it like this. Then before you click any match, let's check what they predicted here. Southampton versus Liverpool. They predicted Liverpool to win 3-0. Can you see it here? Let me check Sofascore. Then Sofascore predicted Southampton versus Liverpool. This is Southampton versus Liverpool. Open it, then click matches as I usually do now. They predicted Southampton versus Liverpool. They predicted Liverpool to win, straight win. Can you see the percentage win here? So it means both the two are predicted Liverpool to win, and because of that, as I don't like playing straight win to avoid disappointment, so I'm going to select this match, draw or away. That is Liverpool to win or they draw this match. This is the odd. Liverpool to draw or they win this match. This is 1.13, or they play over 1.5 goals. Two of them score over 1.5 goals. Understand? So then after that one, the second to the last match that we predicted here is go to Italy. Go to Italy, then check for Atalanta. This is Atalanta versus Cesena. All of us know that most of Atalanta players, but I will check using Forebet to know those that are injured. Can you see this is Italia Coppa Italia? So Atalanta is going to play Cesena. They predicted Atalanta to win 99%. Let me check Forebet. I'll drop a link to this to watch the video how to use these two betting app or to predict match. I'll drop a link on how to use it. So you go there and watch it. Look at Atalanta versus Cesena. They also predicted Atalanta to win. Understand? So because of this, I don't want to play straight win to avoid story that touches the heart. So I'll just go over to Coppa Italia here. Look at the Atalanta, see the odd given to themselves. So because of this, I'll play Atalanta to win either half. Let me show you, or over 1.5 goals. So it's either they score over 1.5 goals, or you come over to half and select Atalanta to win either half. Let me show you Atalanta to win either half here. at 1.13 odd. Can you see? Then, or if you want to play straight win, then choose straight win with 2 up. So these three market option can enter. The last one, but not the least, is Roma versus Sampdoria. Let me check their prediction here. So Roma, this is Roma versus Sampdoria. They predicted Roma to win 3-1. Let me check Sofascore. So this is Sofascore Roma versus Sampdoria. So click it like this. You come to matches, check matches. Then you go down. See, can you see they predicted the Sofascore predicted Roma to win at 83%. So because of this, go over to your betting app, open it like this, see what you are going to play here. The same thing I predicted for Atalanta. So you can predict Roma versus Cesena to play over 1.5 goals, or you come over to half, then click half, look for home team to win either half. This is the odd, 1.19 odd for Roma to win either half. Or if you want to select straight win, then you consider, let me just show you now. If you want to select straight win, you consider Roma to win but with 2 up. Do you understand? Always stay with the amount you can afford to lose. God bless you. Thank you. Bye.